Hi, my name is Emily Kemp. This is my third day at MintTwist as the office manager / marketing assistant. So I recently graduated from university up in Nottingham, and so joining MintTwist is my first leap into the marketing industry. As the marketing assistant, I'll be working with the social media accounts, blog posts and events that MintTwist run. So I'm really looking forward into getting involved with those. So far I've settled in nicely to the company. I've really enjoyed getting to know the people. They've been really friendly and welcoming to me. And in my spare time I like to cook and bake as often as I can. I enjoy exploring new recipes. More recently I've been looking into vegan recipes, and also like spending time with my friends and family and my 2 dogs. Thank you.